Today I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious and healthy butternut squash. I love to make this as a side dish for my meal preps, especially in the fall, because I love butternut squash so much. And I think you're going to be shocked at how easy it is to prepare, especially like this, to make for meal preps that last really well in the fridge. And you don't have to add a bunch of butter and sugar just for it to be really good. The full recipe is in the description, so don't you worry. You guys are absolutely gonna love this recipe.
So I have a butternut squash that I've peeled and taken the seeds out of. I cut it in half lengthwise and separated the kind of bulbous end from the stalk. And I'm gonna cut it into like 1 to 2 inch pieces. You're gonna put it on a sheet lined with foil. I lined mine with parchment as well, just to help prevent sticking. You don't have to, but I like to do that just to make sure it comes off really clean. We're gonna top it with some olive oil, some cinnamon, and then I like to go in with Splenda's Magic Baker brown sugar. It's a replacement for sugar, so it's 0 carb. You don't have to worry about adding a bunch of sugar to this, and it tastes really good. It melts nicely in the oven, and I can really barely tell a difference from regular brown sugar. So I like to coat it in that. Of course, don't forget the salt and pepper, and then just toss the squash to coat. Make sure it's in a nice even layer, and bake at 375 for around 25 to 30 minutes or until fork tender, and you can see how good that is.
I told you that was easy. This is so good. And that Splenda Magic Baker brown sugar replacement, I'm telling you, is such a lifesaver if you want to make something like this and get all of that delicious brown sugar flavor, but without the calories and extra carbs. So if you can find it in your store, I'd strongly recommend getting some. You can always order it online as well. I will post a link for that in the description, so don't worry. Along with the full recipe, all the measurements are gonna be down below. Be sure to check out my other social media that is also linked below. Give this video a nice big thumbs up, leave me some comments, and of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.